Griot's G8 random orbital sander with its refined body shape. Extensive use of double-shot rubber and balanced driveline highlight the attention to detail designed into this polisher. The G8's powerful 700-watt motor, 8mm dual-action orbit, and included 2 inches and 3 inches backing plates mean you can focus your headlight restoration process. It's geared for the long haul too. The Griot's G8 orbital sander gear set is 45% stronger than the previous 3 inches machine. Its constant speed control won't bog down pad rotation when you apply pressure. All this tech translates into a balanced, smooth running tool that feels great in your hands, allowing you to produce pristinely restored headlight restoration with little to no prior experience. This dream machine is the definition of performance, control, and comfort. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Fitted with 3 inches vented hook and loop orbital backing plate and include 2 inches hook and loop vented backing plate. 6 speed settings. Set the correct speed for any job for improved control and precision. Number 2. 2,000 to 6,400 orbits per minute with 8mm orbit throw. Powerful 700-watt, 6-amp motor. Number 3. Fan-cooled counterbalanced driveline. Designed for smooth running and durability. Comfortable ergonomic design features double-shot rubber for supreme comfort. Number 4. 10 feet quick connect 18 Aruban Florins SJO rubber power cord speed dial accessible for right and left hand users. Constant control. Fully variable speed trigger throttle with a trigger lock. Includes 14mm backing plate wrench and replacement high carbon brushes. Number 5. Shroud grip contoured to accommodate 4 fingers. Rest pads for a tool to lay stable on its back. Quick access brush side ports, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.